Hi guys, just thought I'd put this in the video. I'm on my way up. You probably can hear my voice, I'm a bit hoarse then. I haven't been feeling well, I've got like a chest infection or something. It'll probably go away eventually. But look at that, I had to show everyone. That is just beautiful. Right, I better go because I'm parked. I'm not parked really, just stopped in the middle of the road. Right. Hi everyone, so we're back on the job. I'm going to show you what we've done so far. So the reveals downstairs are all done here. I'm planning on doing this today maybe. I'll see how we'll try and get that done. The head of the window, I did some block work there now. Last time I was here, it's all scudded now and everything. Mike's said that it turned out nice actually. So yeah, I'm gonna actually this hole here. I'm thinking of maybe putting a bit of insulation in, and then filling it up with a bit with mortar afterwards, and maybe do the same in the inside here and down here, and put some expanding metal on it. Maybe we'll see. I'll see. That's the plan anyway with that. So I'm gonna have to find a few sheets, or maybe I might buy a sheet here and there. We'll see. So, back room. What's gonna be the sitting room? Reveals are all done here. Do you know what? I'm gonna show you this way. It's easier. So this is done. I've done this. All this is done. This is all scudded. And the reveals here are done. No, I haven't been upstairs yet, so I have a bit of cleaning to do today actually. Oh, and I have to take away the sink because it's going to get destroyed here. Put it back with the rest of the kitchen. So there's a bit of tidying left to do up here. That's what that's doing there. Must have been Jerry. Oh, that's our show tray. He plumbers put it in for me. Of course, that was there. I think that was there the last day. I'm not sure. And then we have all the pipes were there the last day, I think. And if we look up high, I think up high you can't really see from here. Wait a second, we'll try and pop up. You can't really see. But the pipes are all going to the tank now, I think. So yeah, that's all done. We're going to be doing reveals. I'm going to do putting a few battens there for Mike and stuff, and I'm going to do a bit of herringboarding downstairs where the plumber was doing put his pipes. So yeah, very cold. We'll have to put a fire on. Whew. I can't wait to get this place insulated at some point. Yeah, he's done a good job. I love the way the walls have dried out so quickly as well. We have a small here. There's a dampness there. I think I might have said this in another video. Later on next year, maybe when the weather's a bit nicer, we're going to have to change the gym chimney caps upstairs, the two chimneys, because they're one wall plastered into the wall here. Doing this one next. Well, part of it already. We're going to have a cup of tea in a minute, so we're hungry. This is what I did before I started doing that wall. Put the rest of the herringboard bridging in. Just to strengthen it up a bit more. Right, everyone. So I've just finished off that job. I'll show you there now. Now I need to give it a scratch coat yet, but that's all done. So that was scratched. I just finished scratching. I know it's very dark here at the moment, but if you've seen upstairs how bright it got now after the plastering, it's a big difference. Now I've done a bit of cleaning as well. I'll try and do this next weekend or something. There's not much left to do. I'm going to tidy up all the carry-on that's here, our stove and things. And you're probably wondering what's all in those bags. The cement and every sort of thing in it, so we just put it in to protect it. So I've tied upstairs, and yeah, see what I mean. Now in my last video you could see it was very dark in here because I just done it, like, you know. And now it's starting to dry out now, and it's a lot more brighter up here, you know. So yeah, that's good. One other job I need to do, actually. I won't be able to do it here, but I'll probably leave it the way it is here. But all the other windows, I'm going to have to back them up to like we've done it here. See what I mean? But that's for another day. We'll have to try and do that next time. Maybe next week, maybe. Tidy now.